So my people, this is our brother from Ebony State. He's among the people that Franny terrorists burned down his house. This our brother that you are seeing here, he's homeless. They burned down his house and slaughter many people there. So brother, please, can you say what happened?
By the special grace of God, I'm the youth leader of Nkala,
Ebony State.
Ebony State, initially local government. It was on the 2nd of February 2025. Fulani invaded my village. They killed about 19 men, and they burnt many houses.
Many houses?
Not only my own house, they burnt a lot of houses. Many of my village people are homeless now. Many are fatherless. Many, in short, in my village now, we cannot go to the farm because of fear of Fulani herdsmen. So it was so terrible in my own area because we always feed from farming. Like me, myself, I'm a farmer, but I cannot go to farm anymore. I cannot go to farm anymore. So we are begging on the government to please help us. To please help us because we don't want to take the law into our own hands. We want the government to assist us. So it was very, very terrible in my own community, in Nkala at large. But my village is Nkala. That is where the incident happened. That is where the village that they invaded. They killed one Lord Choosing's pastor.
Pastor, okay.
And
they killed pastor.
A pastor of Lord Choosing.
Lord Choosing.
With their apron.
Yes.
They killed one of my elder brother, who is the assistant pastor. Of that very church. I think people may be seeing this. People that will see this video may as well bear me witness because the senior pastor of that Lord Choosing church, who they killed, is not from my village. The man is not from my village. I don't know where the man came from. But the assistant pastor is my own brother. It's my own brother, Alfred Obu. He was murdered. In a cold morning, he went to the church to worship his God. And that is how
they went to church and
they went to the church and attacked everywhere. They was attacking people from the farm. They killed many people. Even some of the corpses have already rotten inside the bush before we can now go there and pack their bone and come and put on the farm.
But all those people where they burn their houses, government, have they compensated them maybe to help them to build their house?
Yes, government gave the people that was killed was given 2 million.
2 million naira.
Yes, per head.
Per head.
Then the people that they burned their house were given 1 million.
1 million naira.
The people that they burned their machine was given 1 million.
1 million naira.
But I must be frank with you that it's not everybody that received that money.
Okay, not everybody.
Not everybody. Money. There is people that have never seen their own up to today.
Up to today.
Yes, even as I'm speaking with you, as I'm speaking to you now, I've not seen my own.
Okay, do not see
my
your
name
money.
Was even removed. They removed my name totally. My name was removed totally. So that is how.
Okay, but now today is 14th of June, 2026. Now, how about the insecurity that is happening in Ebony State? Have this Fulani herdsmen, have they stopped attacking the village now?
No, they have not stopped.
Okay, they are still attacking.
Yes, because even I can't remember the date again, but some day in last month.
Last month.
Yes, we saw a Fulani. One of our men, our high chief, went to his farm, and the 2 Fulani guys came to him in his own farm. They wanted to even kidnap him. They want to kidnap him. Then the man refused to be kidnapped. They shot him. They shot him, but they didn't get him. Then the man raised alarm. They now ran to the bush. The man now came back house. And then when he came back house, we have to mobilize boys. And then we caution those boys to go into the forest and make sure they get that very guy, that very Fulani people that attacked this man. And by the grace of God, we got one of them. And the one with gun ran away, which we did not kill him, we did not torture him, we handed him over to the police. And the police took him to court.
Yes.
So the case is, I don't really know how the case, the level of the case for now. But that is the recent one that happened. We caught him, we did not harm him, we did not torture him, we did not kill him, we hand him over to the police. That is what we did.
Okay. You can hear what this brother said. Many of them are homeless. 1 million naira cannot even build one room and parlor. Okay, those people where they destroy the house, government give them 1 million naira.
1 million.
1 million naira cannot even build one house.
Not everyone that get their
and
own.
not everyone really that receive it. My people, our people need help. Most especially in Yamufi, Enugu State, and some parts in Ebony State, they need help. They need help.